Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to Pure Brain Joy. Christine, story is a beacon of hope and inspiration. Despite losing her vision, she never lost sight of her dreams. From the warmth of her mother's kitchen to the grand stage of MasterChef, Christine's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance, adaptability, and the human spirit. Christine Ha was born on May 9, 1979, in Los Angeles County, California, to Vietnamese immigrant parents. Her early years were filled with the rich aromas and flavors of her mother's cooking, which ignited her passion for food. However, life took a challenging turn when Christine was just 14 years old. Her mother passed away from lung cancer, leaving a void in her heart and her kitchen. Despite this loss, Christine pursued her education, earning a bachelor's degree in business administration and finance from the University of Texas at Austin. But fate had more trials in store. In 2004, she was diagnosed with neuromyelitis optica, a rare autoimmune disease that gradually stole her vision. By 2007, Christine was almost completely blind. Undeterred by her condition, Christine embarked on a new chapter of her life. She taught herself to cook again, relying on her other senses and adaptive technologies. Her kitchen became a place of resilience and creativity, where she transformed challenges into culinary masterpieces. In 2012, Christine's life took an extraordinary turn when she decided to audition for MasterChef USA. Competing against sighted contestants, she dazzled the judges with her skill, grace, and determination. Week after week, she impressed with dishes that were not only delicious, but also beautifully presented. Her journey on the show was a testament to her indomitable spirit. Christine's hard work paid off when she was crowned the winner of MasterChef USA, becoming the first blind contestant to achieve this feat. Her victory was celebrated not just for her culinary prowess, but for her inspiring story of overcoming adversity. Following her win, Christine authored a cookbook, Recipes from My Home Kitchen, Asian and American Comfort Food, sharing her favorite recipes with the world. She also opened two Vietnamese restaurants in Houston, The Blind Goat and Din Chow, where she continued to share her love for food and her heritage. Christine's story is one of resilience, adaptability, and the power of following one's passion. She has inspired countless people with her journey, proving that with determination and a positive attitude, any obstacle can be overcome. And so, Christine's story continues to inspire, a shining example of turning life's challenges into opportunities for growth and success. What part of Christine's journey resonates with you the most? Comment down.